Hey guys, okay, so today we're going to be revising our sentence, and I gave you a little clue on the first page saying maybe you want to describe the eyes a little bit by adding an adjective. So this is what I came up with. And this is what I added right here. Beautiful eyes. So I just added an adjective before and the rest is the same. Are like the diamond, bright, but mine are dull as lead. Alright, so all I did was add that adjective right here. Maybe you came up with a different one. Maybe you put the same exact one, okay? But that's revising, just making it a little bit better.